Hey everybody, Kubota coming back at you. Today we're going to do our first little mod to the Kubota BX. Haha, pretty lame mod. I bought some yellow headlights just to be different. These are off Amazon. They're, I don't know how you pronounce that. Lix Light, Alex Light, whatever man, whatever. Anyways, we're going to put them in, see how they work. Oops. We're gonna put them in and see how they work. Let's go give it a shot. It is absolutely a miserable day out, man. It is wet, raining, cold. It's only about 4 degrees Celsius, but luckily the tractor's in the dry, so we'll see what we can do. Okay, as you know, you pull this little lever back. Helps if you push the hood down. I gotta do this with 2 hands, so just gonna set you up over here. Alright. Okay. There's our headlights down here. There's 1. There's 2. Shouldn't be too difficult. I'm gonna get a flashlight as well. Hang on. Take this off. Oh crud. Just put the light like that. You just pull up on this little tab. Without wrenching the living dump out of our fingers. See what's going on here. We need these black ones, not the gray one. There we go. Okay, so don't pull on the gray one. Pull on the little 2 side black tabs there. Okay. Holy shit. Let's go get the bulb. Okay, push the bulb back into the socket. This is the big one, the big end here. Okay. Let's see what it looks like before we put the other one in. Oh yeah, pretty sweet. That should get the job done. Alright, let's get the other one in. Here it comes. Okay, got her. No washer. There's no washer on the other side. Make sure you don't lose these little white washers, rubber seals. I'll hang on to these lights, they're not garbage, but you gotta make sure you don't touch them too much because they are halogen. Alright, let's close the hood, turn the lights on, and see what we end up with. this thing back. Key in. And we got yellow lights. Pretty sweet. I like it, man. I like it. I like it. Alright. Now, the real test will be at night, but I don't really use the tractor at night too much. There's a few times, maybe in the winter, where I turn this off. Okay guys, that pretty much does it. November the 11th, 2023, Remembrance Day. Installing some yellow lights in your Kubota tractor. Remember, you pull on the little two black tabs on the side, not the gray looking one, and then it just, a little bit of finagling getting the light in and out. But, you know, totally a DIY job. If you have even no mechanical ability, well, if you have no mechanical ability, I don't really think you should be owning a tractor, to tell you the truth, because these things need a lot of upkeep on them. But yeah, very easy to do. Too miserable out, too cold. I'm not going to do anything. I do want to put the chains on the tires, but maybe we'll wait till it's dry. It's not going to be warm, but be nice if it's dry, so I could sort of, you know, pull the tractor out a bit. I gotta take the ballast box off the back so I can jack the back up, because that ballast box is probably good for about 300 pounds or so, and I don't want to jack the tractor up with the ballast box on it. But yeah, only takes 10 minutes to take it off and put it back on altogether. And since I'm not putting another implement on, I don't need to adjust anything. It's just straight take off, put back on. But, you know, and I probably could get by without the chains, but there is a couple months where we do have a worthy amount of snow. Probably around the December, January, February area. So, I'm going to probably put the chains on, because that will hopefully jinx it in. It's chilly out. That'll hopefully jinx it into me not needing the tractor for any kind of winter emergency. If the chains are on, usually you jinx nothing into going wrong. So when you don't have the chains on, where you're like, ah, crap, there's like 1.5 feet of snow on the ground, I got to get the tractor out to do something, and why didn't I put the chains on, and blah blah blah. And you know how it is. I don't need to sit here and tell you. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Even if, like I've always said, you don't have to comment on the video. Even if you just say, hey man, what's up, how's it going, you suck. No, don't say you suck. But you know how it is. Okay, thanks guys.